Last time, during the suffering, we got our first transformation into the demon thing. I screamed like a little girl. This time around, we just gotta wait and see what's in store for us. Alright, let's get back into this. We're on chapter 2 of the game. I forgot to mention that in the title of the last part. Take away a man's light, his clothes, his food, his friends, his air, and you leave him with nothing but himself, and for most, that is not pleasant company. I think I read that before, but whatever. Let's get into this. Shit, I gotta start my timer. Alright. More opium. Oh, what the hell? Oh, shit! What the fuck's that? Off with your head. Oh, Jesus! It's bigger and uglier. Oh god, it's raping me. It's hurting me bad. It's really killing me. Holy shit, I'm gonna die. Pop some pills. Shoot it in the nuts. Fuck. Hey, look, you got a rat. Jesus. Okay, that was a hell of a way to start the video. I remember running in him last time. Should I shoot this rat? I'm gonna shoot this rat. If I remember correctly, it explodes. Oh, fuck you. Okay. Got it. Clamber to high ledges. Hold R2 to clamber to... Oh, shit! He's climbing now, people! Oh, fuck that. Okay, let's put it... So, what's over here? Can I jump?
Suck my cock, you fucking monstrosity!
That's pleasant. Okay, let's fucking... Alright. Again, shit visual, sorry. I'm trying to work on it. I need a fucking cam or something. Also, thank you to anyone who's liked, commented, subscribed so far, gave me feedback, so forth. It's very helpful. Can I jump across?
I know what's coming. Just end it.
Oh, fuck. Okay, I threw a flare. That's not what I wanted to do.
Pull the goddamn trigger already.
How do I jump? Okay, that's how I jump. Let's see.
Come on. What are you
Jump
fucking
across!
waiting for?
Nope, okay, that was stupid. Alright, let's get back up there.
I know what's coming. Just end it. Come on. What are you fucking waiting for?
Alright, let's get torque to lock up so we're not standing at the floor the whole
Just
time.
pull the goddamn trigger already.
Oh shit, over ammo. Okay, that's good.
Suck my cock, you fucking monstrosity.
That's a pleasant thing to say.
Suck my cock, you fucking monstrosity. Come on. Where the fuck are you? It's taking so
He is
long.
blindfolded.
Do it. Fucking do it. Just fucking kill me.
Oh my shit. What the fuck? It's gotta be the Tommy gun that I'm gonna get. Oh my, nope. What in the fuck? Oh god. Torque, you're fucking crazy. What the? Flare! Oh, it's already dead. Oh, that was easy to kill. Okay, does this guy got a Tommy gun? No. Oh, right. Okay, my battery on battery 9 is almost dead from my flashlight. Okay, alright. Oh, Fuck off. Jesus. Better pop the pills. Okay, that's my ass. You can stop stabbing me in the ass. Good God, this fucking game has just gotten so ridiculous all of a sudden. Okay, it's dead. I can go into beast mode anytime. I'm gonna save right now. Also, I want to apologize for not being active for the past 48 hours or so. I'm having to get a lot of stuff done and spent, you know, some time with my fiance and the kids yesterday. Alright, we're on battery 8 for a flashlight. Oh, nope. Okay, fuck. Oh, fuck this game, man. It's gonna bust this open. Nope, apparently not. Okay. That is a coffin or a casket. That's 2 coffins or caskets. Okay, fuck that. Nope. No, no thank you. Huh. Can I turn this back on, please? No? Okay, let's save the game and I just walk into the darkness and get raped by some sort of demon. This game is fucking crazy. Excuse me, sorry y'all. Oh, nuts. You know what? I want to transform. I gotta transform back before. Is that his kid talking? Is that Toad's kid talking? I don't fully understand what's going on here. Okay then. Y'all see the glitchy door bullshit? Yeah, I'm curious of something. The orange ones don't go up to the green ones? Of course not. Oops, wrong button. I wonder if I have to bust off. Let's try this.
My soul left me alone.
Okay. My soul. Yeah, that's great, buddy. Talk to someone who gives a fuck. Your soul left you alone here. I don't give a shit. Oh, what the dick? That is a skeleton. Ah! Fuck this game. It's a flashbang grenade. Urgent note, photo, flashlight, flare. Fuck this game. Alright, save again. I'm gonna do a lot of more frequent saving now because the game's getting a little bit more eerie. Oh, fuck. Although I do think in one of the videos I'm gonna let him die in the demon mode. Like I'm gonna stay in demon mode until, you know, like it kills me. Okay, that's nasty. You can go to hell, motherfucker. You can stay there. It's gross. Okay, let's get this door open. I'm probably getting jump scared. No, it's locked. Okay, fuck that. Let's look at the trusty map. Solitary confinement. Of course, they put the dirtiest motherfuckers here. Okay, where do we gotta go? Do we gotta go back up top? Do we gotta skull fucking demon? What? That shit's red and I don't like it. Where the fuck is that sound coming from? Oh shit! Fuck off. Fuck. Another casket. Fuck that. What's this? I shot it. Reload. 199 bullets. Oh fuck, what was that? Okay. Nothing. Fuck off, just let me out of here. Whoa, what was that? What the shit? No, 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 no. You ain't killing me. Jesus fucking Christ! What the dick balls? Not a fucking shit dick! Okay, fuck off. Get off the ceiling. Fucking shoot you in the face. Please? Fucking eat a dick. Wow, you communist son of a bitch. What blew up? Oh fuck, I died. First death of the game.
I'll stand an explosion.
Well, shit doesn't usually explode in this game. I don't understand. Like, I've shot in like 15 propane, or, okay, it's on the recording, so I'm not going to say 15, I'm not going to exaggerate. 2 or 3 propane tanks, and nothing blew up. Yes, I think they were propane tanks. Okay, so I saved, excuse me. Something comes out here. Yeah, fuck off. Motherfucker, get off the damn ceiling. Quit being a hoe. Little skull fuck you. Come off the motherfucker. I'm down to 4 opium bottles. That is not good. Did it leave? I know I didn't fucking kill it. Yeah, there it is. At least one. Alright, yeah, also one. Alright. Throw a flare. Oh shit! Yeah, here they come, okay. I'm in first person mode now. Alright. Oh, you communist barrier monk. Fuck off, bitch. Oh shit! Take some opium. God, fuck this. Okay, saving now. Excuse me. First death of the game. Okay. Oh, come on! What? Get out of here! Oh my god, you're big and ugly. And not dying. Fucking die. Thank you. What the fuck blew up that killed me? I've shot these things. Oh, fuck, they do blow up. That's what killed me. Must have shot him by accident. Okay. Pretty sure we're still in solitary confinement. Yeah, we're back in a solitary chamber, which means there's some fucked up shit in these rooms.
It left a bad taste in my mouth. Forever.
Okay, yeah, that's great. Go fuck yourself. Opium!
They let me out of the hole. I was ready to rejoin society and kill every last one of them.
That's pleasant. You're a friendly motherfucker. See if I can break this before I go beating. Okay, fuck off. Oh wait. Gotta bust on this one, because there's gonna be some creepier shit in here, probably. Fuck off. Are you fucking kidding me? There we go. Okay.
I found a way out.
That's pleasant. I don't want to fuck off. Jesus fucking Christ! Crank what now? I don't want to crank shit. Oh god, stop making sounds. It's Torque, stop fucking breathing so heavily, you creeper. Okay, what am I doing? Okay. I don't understand. God, I'm tired of fucking walking through the damn dark. Holy dick! A lot of flashbang grenades. 7 of them? I'll equip those then. Oh, fucking course that door is locked. I'm gonna shoot it just in case something decides to fucking run through it. Opium, opium. Revolver ammo. Where in the fuck do I get the Tommy gun? Fucking of course. Nothing's fucking there. Probably better than oh yeah, I've got 9 flashlight batteries. Okay. Let's go back in here and see what this shit did. Flashlight batteries. Okay. It's a way out. It opened something back here. Is that my way out?
You can't execute your own men. They're spies for the Nazis. They're a threat to our security. Am I supposed to ignore that goddamn airplane?
Fuck. What the hell
But
is this?
sir!
Oh shit!
My command. I am God here. You will follow my orders.
Fuck off. Tommy gun ammo full. Official document. Let's read it. Okay, fuck that. Department of the Army, Fort McCade, Maryland. From Commanding Officer, Fort McCade, Maryland, to Colonel Bullshit Cocksuckers, because the real name was crossed out. Subject: court-martial proceeding. This letter serves to inform you that you are required to appear at court-martial to be held at Fort McCade, I don't know how the fuck to pronounce it, on August 22nd, 1944. This is in regards to the charges against you of unlawful execution and other misconduct at Fort Melson. I can't read the rest of it, but basically this thing's been defaced. There's a guy shooting another guy in the ass. It says fuck them. There's a suicidal. It's been all defaced. Cocksuckers written all over it. Die, die, die. Fuck them. It's It's pretty dark. Okay. Do I get my new weapon yet? Of fucking course not. You've been damn Tommy gun already. Fucking bitch. Let me save. Oh shit. Oh fuck. I just saved over. I just made a new save. Not what I wanted her to do. Alright, let me fix that in a second. What the fuck am I doing right now? I think I fucked up part of the screen. Hold on. Okay, save game. Delete this one. Oh, that's the timer for me to end the stream. So let me save the game. Save the game, come on. That's all I got time for this stream. Stupid timer. Whoops. So apparently, I'm still trying to figure out what the thing is with the whole demon popping up at the screen. So far, it has something to do with people that did some very bad shit. As I've read that court order, paper, official document, whatever, he is basically executing his own men because he thought they were Nazi spies. But that's it for this one. Not sure what else to say. Oh, I died for the first time and shit does explode. Wolf out.